How to sell Floki Inu on Trust Wallet. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to sell Floki Inu on Trust Wallet. So in order to sell Floki Inu on Trust Wallet, you have to follow the steps. First of all, you have to go and log in into your Trust Wallet account. When you're logged into your Trust Wallet, that's going to take you to the home page. And from the home page, you have to go to the Discover tab. Here, you need to go and locate PancakeSwap. And it's going to direct you to the PancakeSwap, and make sure that you're already connected, or make sure to connect your Trust Wallet to PancakeSwap. After that, you need to go ahead and select Floki Inu right on this page, and when you locate Floki Inu, now you could go ahead and click on continue to connect wallet. After that, you could just go ahead and follow the prompt, and you'll have successfully sold Floki Inu on Trust Wallet. So by following the steps, you should have successfully sold Floki Inu on Trust Wallet. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.